Hey guys, welcome back to the Adventures of David and Aaron. I'm David.
I'm Aaron, hey!
So today's video, our topic is the top 10 things that you want to take on a Carnival Cruise.
The must.
The must items from our past experience. So Aaron, what's number 10?
Number 10?
Number 10, Lysol or antiseptic wipes to wipe down your cabin. We learned about this little trick from our friends at Sea Cruisers, Amy and Elizabeth. So give them a shout out, watch their videos. We also was reminded about this from our friends Booze Cruise. If you've ever seen their YouTube channel, check out Booze Cruise. So that's our number 10, which we have taken and have used. It's a must. So what's number 9?
Number 9 is a wine opener.
Oh, this is a must.
This is a must.
Okay, so as you know, when you go on a Carnival Cruise, you're allowed to take one bottle of wine, I believe 750 milliliters each, one bottle of wine per person at check-in. Don't forget to take your wine opener or they will charge you a corkage fee. What's next?
Alright, next is, excuse me one moment. Most important, guys, do not forget your passports.
Oh, extra, yes, don't forget your passports. They should be with your travel itinerary, flight information, or your cruise documents. That is a must. Even though you lay them out, make sure you get them packed and make sure you know where they're at.
Alright, next, if you guys want to use the water slide, you may not want to have regular sandals, so you need some water slippers.
Or if you're going to the beach or a Caribbean island, or depending what your itinerary is on your Carnival Cruise. So there's all different types of water shoes, water socks, so you might want to add that to your list. What's up next?
Next, must, sunglasses.
Oh, there you go. You don't want to leave home and forget your sunglasses. That's a must. You gotta have those, guys. What else we got?
For those who are bald or little hair, you want to have sun hat.
Oh, there you go. Panama Jack.
And it covers your
Oh,
neck.
there you go. And what's really cool about this hat, guys,
It pulls out and covers your neck.
which is really cool, as you see. So it gives you a little neck protection. There's vents on the side so it can breathe. And if you're on your top deck or little deck and it's really windy, you have a little strap so your hat doesn't blow off in the ocean.
You don't feel like you're down under.
Oh, there you go. You don't want to lose your hat. What's next?
Ponchos.
This is something
if you go
that
to
we
the Caribbean, you never know if it's going to rain.
Or to the Mexican Riviera. You can get these guys real cheap, 99 cents at the 99-cent store. They're good to have. They're easy to pack away. What else we have left?
Okay guys, for those who get seasick very easily, you would like to have some Bonine.
Oh, there you go. Or Dramamine. Or some essential oils. Something just in case you might experience some seasickness. It's a good idea to have it. You want to start taking it maybe 24 hours before you board your ship.
Cell phones, computers, you want to have a...
Very important for those of you that have GoPros or doing some vlogging like me and Aaron are learning how to do now. Your cell phones, your tablets, you only are given one plug in the stateroom, so remember, it has to be not a surge protector. Cannot be a surge protector. Just has to be a power strip. And is that it? Are we...
Well, we have, I don't have my highlighter, but you should have a highlighter.
Oh yeah, this is the highlighter.
I don't have one.
Yes, we do.
Sorry guys.
Okay, well anyway, we did have it. Anyway, so a highlighter. Why you want to take a highlighter? To highlight these guys, your Carnival fun times. So your daily activity guides that are placed in your stateroom.
Delivered every day.
Usually at nighttime, or you can find them at the guest services desk, or you can find them at most of the bars and restaurants throughout the ship. That way, when you look at your itinerary of events and activities for you and your family, you can highlight the things that you all have interest in so you don't miss anything, because there are just so many activities on a Carnival cruise ship. So take a highlighter, you will benefit from it.
And the most important thing, guys, at least for me...
Oh, there's the highlighter. I stuck it on. Don't forget your highlighter. Okay, so the very number one that we put on the top of our list, and Aaron knows about this firsthand.
I was burned last time so bad, I had almost sun poisoning. Seriously. My ankle swelled up. It was not funny. So what you want to bring is suntan lotion.
Sunblock.
And without that, after that, you need some gel. In case you do get burned, some aloe vera. Please, please bring these, most important out of anything.
So guys, I hope you took this information helpful for your must-haves on your next Carnival cruise. Until then,
have a safe cruise and aloha.
If you're going to Hawaii, and the adventures of David and
Aaron.
We'll see you later. Bye guys.
Bye.